King Chevrolet, let's resume this thing. Harry! What's up, buddy? Oh! Is that the house thing? I think it is. Because that was pretty weird.
Good that we touched on the car crash. That would have been a breakthrough before. But let's leave that topic for a while. I want to talk about family. It's important, right? I don't mean all that touchy-feely crap. You're not a very touchy-feely person.
Okay.
You're giving me that look. I'm talking too much. Well, let's have you talk. Or whatever you feel comfortable doing. Let's play true or false.
Okay.
Is it true to say you're a private person?
Not really, I guess. I don't know.
Say it takes a while for people to get to know you.
Yup.
People can choose their friends, but not their family. Would you prefer to spend time with friends over family?
Sure, why not? Even though I don't.
Nothing surprising there.
What? You jerk.
It wasn't like this. On the table are some pencils and a picture.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I can't wait, can't wait, can't wait, can't wait. Wah!
It's not a family.
Okay, whoa, okay. Let's see, what should I do? Happy family. Okay, let's go. Ha ha ha. This is a happy family, it is so happy. Wait. Gotta have the fruity dude. This is what my house looks like. Get some yellow. Bam, bam. Don't you like it? Oh, the mailbox. Yeah, I'm done.
You're finished.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
What a
Wait, I just noticed you can't see it in the picture thing, the camera. It's pink and yellow, most of it. You'll see in a second, I don't care. My home's like that, by the way. It totally is. Yeah, the car is pink, the house is yellow, top of it's black. Yellow. Too bad you can't see color real good, because I suck. So I'm gonna... Bam. King, oh my god. King Chevrolet is downtown. Sorry for that. I should have really done this before I even started. What's that noise? 12:06. Hello. The door's locked. Hi, he's wearing a pink shirt. Fruity.
What are you doing in my house?
Boy.
I think you have the wrong address. No, this is my house.
Yo.
Who's that at the door, hon?
Yeah.
Oh,
There's that one chick and that one poster.
this is our home. We've been living here for a long time.
She's ugly.
Isn't that right, Mom?
She is
12:06
ugly. I don't want to look at y'all.
My name is Harry Mason. This is my house. My daughter just called me from here.
I hand painted this mug.
Lucy, honey, I think perhaps our little princess has been up to her old trick.
We're sorry. Katie's been acting up. She likes to make phone calls.
Prank call?
How dare she? I deserve money.
Sorry for any upset Katie has caused. We'd like to help, but it's getting late.
You're a little retarded looking.
This doesn't make sense. Not at all. Cheryl! You're
Shit!
upsetting my wife.
Your face is upsetting
It's my
my...
house.
Yeah.
It's my house. It's my damn house.
Harry, you sure do have a way with people. Just like, you bust in saying, in my house, bug, get out. Dang, Harry. You're good with... You're a people person, I can tell. Oh yeah, if you went for the bar, this is the first time you'll meet Sybil. And, oh yeah, I got the sexy Sybil. Woohoo! Yeah.
Sir, you come down here for me?
Sure.
Officer, there are people in my house. They have my daughter. I was in a car accident.
That's not the story I got. Can I see some ID?
Sure, why not? Their car is pink.
Harry Mason. This is the right address. You know what? This doesn't add up. I'm gonna need you to come down to the station with me. We can sort it out there.
Okay.
No, my daughter is in there somewhere. She's missing.
I'm a police officer, Mr. Mason, and I need you to come with me.
Harry.
People don't have your daughter. Trust me. If she's missing, we will find her.
Dang it, she usually says mind your head. But yeah, I got the nice Sybil and sexy Sybil or whatever. People call her sexy Sybil, I call her original Sybil. She looks more like she was in the first game.
Bennett, anything happens to my daughter, I'll hold you responsible.
She's not in the steward's house.
How can you be so sure?
I've been a cop for 20 years, and all 20 of them in this town. I know the place and I know the people. I know the stewards haven't kidnapped your daughter.
How it works.
Says your
Treehouse.
You sure that's your house? Just how well is your head working, Harry?
I haven't forgotten
Oh, she called me retarded.
Some things are
Awkward.
fuzzy, but the rest I know. I know that was my house.
What else?
I painted it.
What else do you know?
I'm Harry Mason. I love my daughter very much. I live in Silent Hill.
You do not.
Fight for a living, crap pretty much.
Conspiracy
Your
theories?
face is crap. Oh.
Sometimes, whatever they pay me for, I work for hire.
Yeah, I'm gonna
Some of
stop,
Vegas
man.
libraries. Overseas art cover.
Real life's a lot more boring than your stories. We'll find your
Rude.
and life can be.
That was rude. Hey, it's that one snowflake from Raw Danger. If you ever played that game, it looks like it. If you haven't, you should play it. It's pretty fun, I guess. Okay.
Very restless back there, Mr. Mason. Anything you want to tell me?
I'm not restless.
Restless? Of course I'm restless. I'm worried
I'm
about
not
my
restless at all.
daughter. 7. She's out there in this blizzard.
Sorry, I didn't mean to.
Just hurry up and get us to the station.
Harry sucks at communicating with people.
This weather's just unbelievable.
Your face is unbelievable. Oh, never mind.
Damn, can't even see the road. I'm gonna see exactly where we are. Stay put.
Like heck, I'm not gonna do that, mug. Okay, now that she leaves, you have powers that make you get up here. In the, oh yeah, memento. There's stuff that you can collect for no apparent reason. So let's play with this stuff. Disappointing. Let's roll down all the windows. Come on, Harry. Come on. There we go. Haha. One more. Go on. Come on now. Come on. There we go. Okay, let's do that and then bam. Okay. Next episode we will continue. See you then.